It's been 30 days since I have bought Upliance.ai smart cooking assistant, and here are all my hacks to make this a worthy purchase. My mom went out of town literally as soon as this machine arrived, which meant my siblings had to take over cooking. They unboxed it, set it up, and got it running surprisingly quickly, which is already 1 point for the machine. That night we made paneer do pyaza while following the recipe exactly as instructed. No guessing, no experimenting, just doing what the machine told us to do. And honestly, it turned out really good. Hack number 1: if you're a beginner, don't try to outsmart the machine. Just follow the recipe exactly as instructed, and you'll probably get the best result possible. Is it easy enough to use after a long, tiring day? For this test, I prepped some vegetables over the weekend to see whether I could quickly put together meals before or after work. One evening, I made pav bhaji in that machine. It was so good that I genuinely don't even have a final clip because we finished eating it before I remembered to record anything. If you live alone and already meal prep ingredients on Sunday, this machine works really well with that system. You can prep everything in advance and then just cook fresh meals throughout the week without spending too much time in the kitchen. Hack 2: don't prep complete meals. Meal prep ingredients. Let the machine handle the cooking during the week and you're good to go. Can it handle weekly meal prep? The same weekend, I decided to push a little harder. I made 2 sabjis back to back in the machine along with atta and to make weekday meals easier. Now, what surprised me was both the sabjis and the atta still felt fresh throughout the week. Not only did I save time on meal prep day, but during the week all I really had to do was make rotis. For anyone balancing work, family, or just a busy schedule, this time adds up. Hack number 3: use the machine for the time-consuming parts of cooking and save your energy for the finishing touches. Can it survive the harshest critique? My mom. Once my mom came back, it was time for the real test. Because if Indian moms don't approve, does the machine even work? I don't think so. She started experimenting with it herself and cooked several meals in it. The thing she liked the most was that it reduced the amount of time she had to spend standing in that hot weather and hot kitchen. Since the machine cooks on its own, there was less stress and less constant monitoring. Her biggest takeaway was that these recipes don't have to be followed blindly. Her hack is that once you're comfortable with the machine, start making the recipes your own. Add extra spices, adjust seasoning, or increase the cooking time if you like your food cooked in a certain manner. Test 5: the heavy lifting. This weekend we had our usual idli sambar day. Normally sambar takes quite a bit of effort, so we decided to let the machine take over that job. Now, this time we adjusted the spices to suit our family's taste and let the machine do the rest. It made more than enough for the entire family, including guests. And honestly, this is where I think the machine has its biggest advantages. When you're cooking for multiple people, it almost feels like you're having an extra pair of hands helping in the kitchen. While you're working on one thing, the machine is working on another. While you're cooking the sambar in the machine, you are free to make your chutney.